In this episode, we find out if the iPhone 16 Pro new ultra-wide camera beats the 5.3K of the GoPro 13. Why are wide cameras so important? First of all, the wide shots are great for setting the stage. If I want to tell you a secret, I need you here close to me to be able to tell you what I want to tell you. When I start, and in most of my videos, you're gonna see me starting like this. I almost always start with the come on. In good daylight, look at the difference.
Question is, which one is better, the GoPro or the iPhone? Because I think the iPhone does most of the business, does a lot of the things well. Should I review these Meta sunglasses? I don't know. I kind of like them whenever I have them with me. I just keep forgetting them at home. Anyway, let's go.
And it's time for side-by-side, you decide. Let's compare footage between these two cameras and see which one you prefer without knowing what type of camera it is. This way we just avoid you being a fan of the brand and just picking the one you love because of marketing. As you watch the footage, here is some info on each camera setup. Most of the videos with the GoPro have been shot at 5.3K, mostly in linear unless we needed horizon leveling, natural color with HDR off, since our previous comparison with the Pocket 3 did not go so well when we had HDR on. We decided to keep it off this time. Please note that we have a full side-by-side comparison of the footage between all the lenses and HDR and non-HDR at the end of this video. With the iPhone 16 Pro, we mostly shot in 4K 60 with HDR on. Almost no color grade has gone into the footage, and that takes us to what if you want to vlog? And this is how it is vlogging on the GoPro Hero 13 Black, 5.3K, either 24, and we're on a linear, not horizon leveling, just linear. This is wide enough, I'm in the frame. And this is what it's like to vlog on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, on the iPhone 15 Pro. You know this look, I've used it multiple times. But what happens if you start adding some movement to the mix? You have here the GoPro Hero, the creme de la creme of stabilization, but then the iPhone said, hold my beer. And let's start off slow with a walk test.
Trying to give you this from the Metas. This is a normal walking situation. It's normal walking. This is a normal walk. Boost on the GoPro. We're just normal walking. This is a normal walk. Boost on the GoPro. We're just normal walking. 2, 1, running. Running, jumping. Up, 1, 2, 3. Running, jumping. Over, and coming up. 1, 2, 3. Running, jumping. Over, and coming up. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so all fine and dandy until now. It's time to get to the pain point. Filming in low light. But we don't want to do this in the studio, so what if we go underground? The thing is, when I compared the GoPro 13 to the DJI Pocket 3, on my screen, it looked clear as crystal that the Pocket 3 is the winner. But when it went online, it went through the YouTube compression and then you watch it in 180p on your mobile screen, the difference somehow gets lost. But I want to make it clear as daylight, no pun intended, that the iPhone Ultra Wide is miles better in low light than the GoPro 13. Comment in the comment section below if you think differently. Yes, I know it is an action camera. It is not built to function in low light, but now you know the difference to the iPhone 16 Pro in low light. But that brings me to the next topic. Besides action sports, why would you use a wide lens? And for that, I have some examples from professionals. First of all, the wide shots are great for setting the stage. They give you and your audience a clear sense of where the action is happening and how the character fits into the environment. They can show you the scale of a location like a vast city or a mountain range, or just emphasize how isolated or alone a character feels in that space. So whenever you're establishing a scene, wide shots do the heavy lifting. But of course, you could also use it if you're going downhill on a mountain bike and you want to film it all.
5.3K linear horizon leveling. 5.3K linear. 5.3K wide. 5.3K SuperView. 5.3K HyperView. 5.3K wide. Auto boost. Wide auto boost on the Hypersmooth. Wide non-HDR, just wide standard. Wide HDR. Why did it switch to wide?